The accessory, called Magny 35, is composed of 3 parts: a rear part of the optical film that is enlarged, an aluminum lens cylinder and the ejection unit of the film. To use it, detach the original back of the camera and replace it with the assembled Magny 35. When you take a picture, it will take the image of the camera and project the light onto the surface of the instant film, enlarging it to 62x62 mm. Everything is connected with bayonet mountings for greater ease and speed. The Magny 35 has a maximum effective aperture of f/4, uses a power supply of 4 AAA batteries, and has an LED film counter, a tripod socket and a dark slide. The film is ejected only when a button is pressed, so there is the opportunity to take multiple exposure shots. NINM Lab says it should be adapted to SLR and Rangefinder cameras made by Leica, Nikon, Canon, Olympus and Pentax. At this time, on Kickstarter, the Magny 35 costs $99, and the actual cost, once it reaches the market in January 2019, will be $199. While the purchase of an Instax Mini costs around $50, the model that takes square photos is more expensive, so you could save a few dollars by getting a Magny 35 if you invest in taking snapshots. While the Kickstarter says that the members of the company have participated in the creation of products in the past, none is specified.